Today we're going on the Corkwood Scribbly Gum Walk. This is at Station Creek Campground, situated in Yuraygir National Park in northern New South Wales. To access this walk in Station Creek Campground, head to the northernmost spot and look out for this sign. We were lucky enough to walk this track in early spring and saw beautiful clusters of the flannel flower, which is a wildflower with scientific name Actinosis helianthi. This is a floral emblem of New South Wales, a flower which is widespread in the area, more profuse in spring, but in pockets can be seen all year round. The white bracts are felt-like in texture and surround a condensed flower head. Interestingly, it's a member of the carrot family, and its name's derived from the Greek, which refers to sunbeams. We would like to acknowledge and pay our respect on Yuraygir country, which is stretched between Coffs Harbour inwards to Evans Head and inland to Cooper in the Clarence Valley, and is closely related to the Gambanga in the south and Bundjalung country in the north. We would like to acknowledge elders both past, present and emerging, and in Gambanga say Ginigay Ninjawan, which is hello and welcome. This walking track is a short, easy hike that follows Station Creek estuary upstream through the coastal and Scribbly gum forest. Whether you're staying at Station Creek Campground or want to explore Yuraygir National Park, or you're just looking for a place to stop off and stretch your legs while on a coastal road trip through New South Wales, this loop track is a great place to divert your attention. As the name suggests, the forest you'll be walking through supports a high number of corkwood and Scribbly gum trees. The bark of both of these is among the most fascinating in the Australian bush. Corkwood has a thick, corky bark, while Scribbly gum appears to have been drawn over by an excited toddler. The leaves of the corkwood tree have been known to be cured and rolled into quills that were chewed by the Australian Aboriginals to ward off hunger, pain and fatigue. Because these leaves contain stimulants, it has been reported the Australian Aboriginals have tinted waterholes in the past with leaves in order to stun and capture animals. Along the walk, you'll witness the myrtle family of plants, otherwise commonly known as gum trees. Almost all gum trees from Australia are the primary fruit of koalas. Over time, they have been cultivated in other tropical regions around the world. An easily identifiable Australian native plant, the Scribbly gum trees, are found throughout New South Wales coastal plains and hills. From the most distinctive features of the eucalypts are the scribbles made by moth larvae as it funnels through the layers of bark. Like all gum trees, large older trees are crucial habitat for the many native animals and birds, providing tree hollows essential for nesting. It has clusters of 5 or so cream-coloured flowers which produce nectar for native birds and bees. Please like and subscribe and follow us on our adventures for more amazing walking tracks through stunning coastal and rainforest walks through northern New South Wales in Australia. Be mindful of the signs. We ended up taking a couple of wrong turns and ended up walking out through a maintenance road, which was fine, but it was just a little bit longer. So just be mindful of the signs and the directions and following them back.
It should be because of the first day.